how to update all apps on iPhone 12. So if you have some outdated apps on your iPhone 12 and I want to update all the application at once, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. You can do this on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it's going to allow you to update all your application at once. Mark you want to connect to Wi-Fi network instead of connecting to a mobile data so that you not set a data cap while updating your app on your iPhone 12. Once you've connected to your network, either Wi-Fi or mobile data depending on your choice, then go ahead and open the App Store. Once you open the App Store on your iPhone, if you scroll down under our view right, you should see most of the outdated application you have on your iPhone. However, to update this application once on your iPhone, all you just need is go ahead and click on the profile icon at the top right. Once you click on the profile icon, then you want to scroll down this page. Then you should see upcoming automatic update. Then you should see all the applications that are due for update on your iPhone here. Now go ahead and click on update all. Once you hit update all, you see all this application updating automatically. You see all the application will start updating. Then you can see they are all updating. So this depends on the strength of your internet connection. If you have a very strong internet connection, all the application will start updating at once. But now is the page. So all the application will start updating in the background section of your iPhone. So that is basically how to update all apps on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.